I would love to teach you to code a really fun way using a Unity engine to make 2D games. My name is Haris. I'm a game developer with 5 years of game development experience. And I have taught more than 15,000 students the art of game development. And from my experience, what I know is that it's really difficult to know where to start when you only had a program when coding and learning game development. Well, I can assure you in the course, we make it easy as can be for beginners to jump in and learn how to code and learn how to make great games. So here how we are going to do. I am going to start with the fundamentals for C#, getting you up and running. Understanding things like what is a variable, how do you write a method, what are conditional statements right from the ground up, so that you have confidence for those foundations. I'm also going to be getting in there and playing around with the Unity so you guys can understand how does Unity work as the interface works. What are the different aspects of the Unity so that you can be really confident in the engine. And the third pillar of this course is the main game development, game design aspect of things. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the player experience and how you create something that's going to be enjoyable for someone to play when it's your game. So then we move on to more advanced C# tools just when we need them, so that your code can continue to read pretty much like English and sophisticated, beautiful, clean code, simple solution. We are going to take a deeper dive into the Unity features again, as we need them to enhance the player experience, to enhance your learning, to increase the scope of the games that you make. And we will really start to think about the architecture of your solutions, how things fit together, and by the end of this course you will be a truly ninja. You'll understand the foundation of programming. You know how to make an interesting game for players like this one or this one. You'll be out to create these sort of games or putting your own creativity to them so that you can really make them your own. So guys, it really is a biding time to learn to code. So please dive in with me and I'll take care of you.